The monologue I'll be doing was written by George Carlin, and it's called Remember Your Uncle John. Hey, Billy, it's Uncle John. I just came up to say goodnight. You remember your Uncle John, don't you? Hey, remember when we went to the beach and we set the hot dog stand on fire and 3 people died? Remember that? Wasn't that fun? And then we ran from the cops and hid in the sewers and Uncle John got poo-poo all over him and then he wiped it on your coat? Wasn't that fun? And then I took you to the bar, and then I got really drunk and vomited on a jukebox, and all the sparks started flying out of the jukebox, and people were screaming and running. Remember that? Remember the screaming? And the ambulances? Wasn't that fun? And remember that time we went to the circus, and a lion got loose and ate a monkey? Yeah, wasn't that fun? And they had to kill the lion, and then all the other monkeys got really sad, and so they had to kill them too? Remember that? Wasn't that fun? Oh, Billy, why are you crying? Oh, please, stop crying. Hey, if you stop crying, I'll take you to the rodeo. Yeah, wouldn't that be fun? Maybe somebody will get trampled or gored. And they have horses and cows, too. Maybe they'll have to kill a horsey or a cow. Wouldn't that be fun? And if they have to kill a cow, then maybe we can eat them later in a hamburger. Oh, Billy, please stop crying. Hey, remember when you flew out of my car? Remember that? You were leaning out the window and we had to go around a corner really fast to keep from hitting that nun, and you flew out the window and hit the pole head first, and the surgeon had to sew your head up with a great big needle. Remember that? Wasn't that fun? Oh, Billy, please don't cry. Thank you.